So this is how to add music to your Facebook profile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, or you have to click on the profile icon if you have. Now then here you have to click on your profile. Here you have to scroll down and go to the music option. After that, here you have to click on the plus icon at the top right corner. After that, here you will be able to see the list of songs. Now you have to select from this list, or you can simply click on the search bar to search the song. Once you have searched the song, now here you have to long press on it. After that, a pop-up menu will appear. Now from this menu you have to click on pin it on my profile. Once you click on it, now this song will appear on top of your profile. So this is how to add music on your Facebook profile.